Vamana Avatara, a great king by name Bali Maharaj, grandson of Prahalata Maharaj, is the king of the demons who fought Lord Indra, conquered heaven, which worried Aditi and Kashyapa Muni, the parents of demigods. The parents of demigods worshipped the Lord to protect their sons and other demigods. Their prayers were heard by the supreme power, Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu decided to defeat the Asura king Mahabali Chakravarti, who has capitalized enormous power over the universe. Lord Vishnu appeared in his natural form in a dwarf avatar with a conch, disc, lotus, and club, assumed the form of a Brahmin as Vamana. Vamana came to know that Bali Maharaj is performing a sacrifice, was present in the arena sharing his participation. On his arrival, Bali Maharaj worshipped Vamana, started washing his feet. Bali Maharaj asked Vamana, "What is your desire? Will be provided whatever you ask." Vamana was pleased by Bali's gesture. Bali, being from the royal family, grandson of Prahalad, is quite generous and heart-whelming. Vamana was wiser, asked him only for 3 steps of land. Bali Maharaj noticed that being poor Brahmin, Vamana is not much intelligent to ask more and agreed to donate 3 steps of land. But Shukracharya alerted his disciple Bali Maharaj that the dwarf Brahmin who has come as a supreme power, Lord Vishnu, has come here to help the demigods. Though he asked for 3 steps of land, he would take everything from you. But Bali Maharaj said, having given his word, he cannot go back. He is a person of promise, never goes back on his words, and decided to give what Vamana has asked for. Lord Vishnu, in the form of Vamana, grows to his cosmic image in his Vamana Avatar. The first step, he takes the entire earth, sky, and all directions. Second, he covered the heaven, planets, and rest of the universe. As there is no other place left anymore for the third step, the demon king Bali came forward, offered his head, sacrificing his life. What we understand from Bali Maharaja, the life lessons. Though being rich, fallen from his highest position in the kingdom due to blind pride, due to inorganic constitution, never driven positive intelligence, never able to learn, adapt, and practice dharma, got defeated with Lord Vishnu and left deserted, suffering the pain of being bounded by his unnatural behavior. Learned many lessons, even at the time of challenges, never gave up his truthfulness. Shows way of peace and satisfaction, liberation from material world, to lead life with content, get satisfied with what we possess, serve the needy with the basic need, food, clothing, use time to share peace and knowledge with others, which gives satisfaction, shows a path of destiny to attain salvation. Benefits of Lord Vamana Moola Mantra. Lord Vamana energy is an important purification, cure ailments of mind, body, and social ignorance, helps to eliminate toxins from top to bottom of mankind. Worshipping and performing Vamana Homam, chanting the Moola Mantra 108 times, clear all problems in life, bless natives with all that is in the earth, above the earth, even sky is not the limit, including planetary displacements, ushering heavenly life desires and render boon for physically challenged, enrich life poor and needy, remove egoism, enmity, suppress misconduct, injustice, enrich healthy society, boost immunity power, vitamin deficiency, elevate body tissues to grow stronger, cure gastric problems, helps proper blood circulations, proper blood vessels. Solutions to persistence of cold, cough, asthma and respiratory troubles. Administer the body requirements for pure digestion, metabolism. Dispels blind pride, blind promises, unnatural powers. Removes persistent unnecessary fat. Remove body ailments. Improve appearances of the skin, solves all skin problems. Solves aging discomforts, sleep disorders, stress deficiency. Solves frequent ailments, physical exertion or mental illness. Treat Kabaj disorders, maintain proper alimentary canal, alimentary tract and digestive tract. Remove greed, jealous, physiological disorders, bestow with quality thinking and charisma. Obtain good tactics, power, intelligence and knowledge building. Solves conflicts, differences, create bondage, prosper in life with wealth, abundance, wisdom and prosperity. Dispels sins, karmas if donate fruits, curd, rice, sugar, dal to the needy or poor. Om Namo Bhagavathe deveśvarāya devasya deva saṃbhūti kāriṇe prabhāve sarva devānāṃ vāmanāya namo namaḥ. Om Namo Bhagavathe deveśvarāya devasya deva saṃbhūti kāriṇe prabhāve sarva devānāṃ vāmanāya namo namaḥ. Om Namo Bhagavathe deveśvarāya devasya deva saṃbhūti kāriṇe prabhāve sarva devānāṃ vāmanāya namo namaḥ.
Please subscribe to our Vedicfolks YouTube channel by clicking on the bell icon.